Live. Just a second. I think we are live. Hmm. Are we live? Yeah, we are live. Alright, everyone. Welcome back to my stream. If you're new to my stream, my name is Abhishek Sharma, and I'm trying to build my own SaaS. And this is day 11 of doing that. So, if you enjoyed the stream, do consider subscribing to this channel. Drop a like, and let's get started. Just a sec. Stream health. Looks good. Okay. Brahmacharini, hi. Hello, Brahmacharini. Welcome to my stream. How are you? Just a minute. Is everything in my stream lagging, guys? Do let me know. Alright. Is my stream lagging, guys? I'm alive, bro. Nah. Hi. Hello, Prakash. Welcome to my stream. How are you? Alright. So, motion. Brahmacharini. Your green's good. What's good? Green. What's green? Okay. So, payment part was left. Okay, screen. Okay, fine. Raj Biswas. Hello, bro. Hello, Raj. Welcome to my stream. How are you? So we have completed the meeting part. Now payments is left. So I think first today I'll start the front end, and then we'll start with the back end. Like we'll implement, like the payment part. First, I think we should go like that. Okay. This is my back end code. Raj Viswas. I'm fine, bro. That's great, Raj. Okay, this is my backend code and backend src cd npm cd backend npm run. Okay, so I need to start my Docker engine also. Rahul, hello Rahul, welcome to my stream. How are you? Fine. So Docker ps Docker stop Docker start Redis server. So this has started. Npm run dev. And here also it's npm run worker dev. Okay. Raj Biswas, what are you tech? Tech, basically I'm building my own SaaS here, software as a service. Rahul, I'm good, bro. What about you? I'm fine, Rahul. So this is done. So this, just a second. frontend chat link. Save it. Not this one. Just a sec. This is my backend code. Auth availability, booking, email, Google meeting, organization, service, slot. Okay. So first we'll start with auth. Vishwas, you are a student or engineer, bro? I'm an engineer. I have completed my BTech. My own sharing the backend code with you in modules so that you understand the flow. Go ahead. Backend code. Pointer. Okay. Okay. Oh, nice, Raj. I'm MCA final year student. That's great, Raj. That's nice. So backend SRC. Okay, just come here. Backend space SRC slash modules slash auth slash slash auth dot yes auth dot yes. This is the auth. Just do one thing. Just give the file name auth.controller.ts auth.route.ts auth.route.ts auth.schema.ts auth.service.ts auth.service.ts service.ts. And then we have availability controller availability.controller.ts. अबे फॉर श्योर ब्रो बैकएंड सीखने के लिए पहले Node.js सेपरेट ट्यूटोरियल देखना पड़ेगा. ऐसा ज़रूरत नहीं है. आप बस Node.js का बेसिक लाइक जस्ट रन टाइम एनवायरनमेंट कैसे इंस्टॉल करते हैं, टर्मिनल में कैसे Node.js यूज़ करके हाउ टू रन योर जावास्क्रिप्ट फाइल्स, दैट्स एनफ. Raj Viswas, where are you from, bro? Raj, I am from West Bengal, India. Controller, just a minute. Availability.controller. Then we have availability.route.ts. availability dot schema dot ts availability dot service dot ts booking dot controller dot ts booking dot route dot ts booking dot route dot ts booking dot schema dot ts booking dot service dot ts email dot service dot ts email dot template dot ts google dot controller dot ts google dot route dot ts understand these then I will give you more. अबे फॉर श्योर ब्रो बैकएंड सीखने के लिए पहले Node.js सेपरेट ट्यूटोरियल ओके फाइन अबे फॉर श्योर रिएक्ट कर रखा है उतना बहुत है हाँ काफ़ी है फोकस्ड ऐप हेलो फोकस्ड ऐप वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम और कितना दिन लगेगा कंप्लीट SaaS बनाने में आज से तो हम लोग फ्रंट एंड स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं आई एम फॉर स्टाई हेलो आई एम फॉर स्टाई वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम ब्रदर जॉब लगी है आपकी मेरी जॉब थी मैंने जॉब छोड़ दी है तुषार हेलो तुषार वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम हाउ ओल्ड आर यू ब्रो आई एम 25 years old Raj oh nice you know Bengali language yes I know Bengali language okay okay so this is now meeting dot service dot ts organization dot controller dot ts organization dot route dot ts organization dot schema dot ts organization dot service dot ts service dot controller dot ts service dot route dot ps service dot schema dot ts service dot service.ts slot.controller.ts slot अरे यार slot.route.ts slot.service.ts dead letter .queue.ts email.queue.ts meeting.queue.ts. This is done. Now just worker email.worker.ts meeting.worker.ts app.ts index.ts starter dash worker.ts अबे फॉर श्योर Next.js से बना रहे हो ना? हाँ, फ्रंट एंड Next.js से बनेगा. बैकएंड हम लोग एक्सप्रेस नोड एंड प्रिज्मा से किए एंड फ्रंट एंड विल बी यूजिंग Next.js. Focus looks like 21 Bengali diet. No, I just like I live in Bengal, but like my family is from Jharkhand. I am for sure. I am frosty. ब्रदर आपने जो बनाया है वो रन करके दिखा सकते हो एक बार? आज से अभी तो फ्रंट एंड स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं हम लोग. लिव गुरु, हेलो लाइव गुरु, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. अगर कोई कंपनी आपको 30 LPA दे और ये सब छोड़ने बोलो तो छोड़ दोगे? नो ब्रो, आई लाइक मैं कंपनी के लिए काम करूँगा बट दैट कंपनी कैन नॉट डिक्टेट माई एक्शंस. लाइक what I do apart from my company hours is my choice. What are you actually doing? I'm building my own B2B SaaS. 91 aura Python complete कर लिया आज. That's great 91 aura and welcome to the stream. Using WSL. अच्छा okay. Okay. This is the package.json for backend. Hold on, package.json. I want to build the front end of this SaaS I will be using Next.js 16, Shad, CN, Tailwind, CSS, Zod, Tailwind, CSS, Zod, and what else? Redux. Give me the full implementation plan that I need to follow to build the SaaS. Good. Now this is where most does. Okay. Front-end goal, calendar style SaaS front-end. Okay. Public, no login, booking pages, slot selection, checkout, dashboard, logged in, create org. Okay. So choice, don't change anything. Folder structure important. Okay. Public, booking page, dashboard, okay. Okay. Phase 1. Okay, fine. Feature order. Phase 1. Create organizer launcher. Phase 2. Phase 3. Phase 4. Important. Okay. Dark theme. Black plus red. No. Okay. Give Tushar. Have you got any waitlisted or customers yet? Just curious. Not yet. Focus def. I mean, why you are giving code files to GPT? I'm giving it files to the GPT because so that GPT has the context of the backend, and using that I can build the front end. GTA Venom. Oh, okay. Fine. Next steps. Give me the implementation plan phase. Mm-hmm. We don't need Redux persist. Okay. And if I go to my GitHub, I have this. I come here, repositories. That's it. Now, okay. System login register. Yes, okay. So this copy this complete front end implementation plan. Now we have this. This. Can I add a horizontal line? Divider. Hmm. Complete front-end implementation plan. Very good. Okay. So phase 0 next. Okay. Now close this, minimize it. Now front end. Inside this, create a new terminal. cd frontend and go to Next.js. Well, Next.js. Get started. Installation. Next.js our latest npm. Test. Yes. Create native 16 yes. Yes. Recommend est and router. Just.mp. Yes. No custom settings. Choose your own preference. Yes. Would you like to use TypeScript? Yes. ESLint. Yes. React compiler. Yes. Tailwind CSS. Yes. RC directory. Yes. No. Would like to create contain to guide coding agents to write up to this code. Yes. Okay. Is it installed? The low for 1016. Bro, do you like official documentation of Next.js? It is fine, like not a big fan. Basically, they don't update it because server actions and all those things go over my head. And I learned Next.js by watching tutorials. And here the official documentation could be better. I'm not a big fan of this. Installed. One can share CN and yeah. So you will gonna do marketing for your SaaS because SaaS is more marketing than building. Yeah, I will do marketing also. Okay, so there we go. Docs. See, we are not still fully dependent on this, like on the UI for using AI. Okay, so this is done, and if I go here npm run dev and let's visit this localhost 3000 localhost 3000. Okay, so first we did this, close it. Let's install shatcn here. Shatcn installation. Next.js. Okay. What the hell is this? Create project has been created for a mono. What is this? Just give me a simple installation menu. What is this? Did I say for giving mono repo this and that? Seriously. npx shatcn init. Init command to create a new Next.js project. Shatcn. Okay, just add this npm shatcn init. Okay. Shatcn init. Yes. Select a component radix. Okay. Which preset would you like to use? What is Vega and all these things? What is Nova? Lucid, Enter, Finchtree, JetBrains, Monorepo. What is this? Let's go with Nova. Lokesh B. Hi Abhi bhai. Hello Lokesh. Welcome back to the stream, brother. How are you? Dependencies are getting installed. Okay. So what I need first. So in the front end of my SaaS, what I need. This will be the simple landing page. Landing page is something else. Right here, landing page. Right. This will be the landing page, and inside here we'll have the login. Inside this we'll have login slash register here, and if someone clicks on it, then we'll take it to the login page. If someone clicks on it, then we'll go to the login page, login or sign up page, right? This is login or sign up page, nothing fancy, simple login and sign up form here, depending on how we are logging and signing up. Just a sec. And yeah, this will be for businesses to log in. Lokesh bhi. Lokesh, good bro. What about yourself? Cousin आओ शादी है इधर बहुत बोर हो रहा हूँ. Okay लोकेश. ओके फोकस ऐप ब्रो आपको बिल्ड करते देख मुझे भी कुछ बिल्ड करने की इच्छा हो रही है बट आई एम जस्ट स्टक विद जेएस नाउ दैट्स फाइन सी right now you have to understand the basics. Once you understand the basics, then only you can build something, right? So we'll have register and then login, name, email and password. Okay, so in the login we'll have the name, we'll have email, we'll have password. Using this the business can log in. This is login page, and then we'll have the dashboard page. Have the basic dashboard page. This is the dashboard page, right? So here we'll have this, and here we'll have this sidebar, and this is compulsory. This will have, and this is the dashboard. This is the dashboard page. So we can see the dashboard has a layout, right? And here we'll have the uh, owner like logged in username, user name. Here we'll have these things. We'll have the logo here, right? And then we'll have all these features like organization. Have organization here. Then we'll have a service part here. We'll have service part here. Then all these things will be here. Organization, service. Okay. Sunil, hello Sunil, welcome to the stream. Hello bro, how are you? I'm good Sunil, how are you? So in the dashboard page we'll have these things, and depending on this we'll create the layouts, right? Okay, fine. So this is done, and clear npm run dev. Okay, so what is this? Agents md and Claude md. Agents md, okay, not needed. Now components UI button, we have this. Okay, just a sec, close it. App page it, okay, RAFCE F page. This is the landing page, right? This will be my landing page. And here we can write landing page here also. Layout, here we have these things, and focus. So you are using Next.js instead of React. Yes, I'm using Next.js because I need that SEO optimization for my SaaS. That's why I'm going with Next.js. Okay, this is my landing page, and remove these things. And if I come here to this page, localhost, this is my landing page. Okay, and layout also, what do we have here? these things. Okay, we'll see this, and HTML this, and suppress hydration. Okay, no, suppress hydration warning. This is also done. Okay, so this is my page, landing page. We'll focus on landing page later. Let's just give a button here. Inside landing, let's give a button. Click me. Let's see how it looks. Button, and this button UI. Okay, and button variant. What do we have? Destructive. How it looks? Fine, cool, not bad. The button, and here let's make it a link. Next link, and inside this link we'll have this button here. Okay, and Frontend app. Let's create a new folder here. Hold on. New folder. Auth, and let's create a new page. New folder here. App. Register. Here we'll have login and register. We have page.tsx RAFCE. Okay, register page, my register page. This is register page, and here I have login page. Here we have login. We have page.tsx here, RAFCE. It will be here just page. Fine, and here we have login page. We have the login page here, and this is my login page, and this is my register page. Okay, so this is also done. Now close this. Here inside this line we have href, and it will be /auth/register. Let's put here register, and if I click, and variant, let's just ignore this variant for now. Button variant, and I click on it. What is happening? Register page. Okay, we are going to the register page. Very good. Fine. Focus. So what's the point of learning React? So should I learn Next.js and build frontend and backend with Next.js? See, Next.js is built on top of React. If you don't know React, you will not be able to understand Next.js. And I would recommend you that first you understand the concepts of React, then step into Next.js. So layout, there we go. Close this. Fine. If I come here and hold on, components, app components. We have here app components. Okay, lib utils. Close this. My global.app. We have here globals.css. Okay. This is done. Components, utils. We have all of this, and there we go. Package.json. Okay, so first I need providers. We have here redux provider. Okay. Okay, no worries. So if I come here and package.json, we have all of this form. Okay, Axios. I need Axios here. npm I Axios. npm run dev. There we go. We have this. Axios has been installed. Now we need React, Sauna, all these things later. I need Zord. npm I Zord. npm I Zord. npm I @hook form slash resolvers. Then here we need React hook form this is done. Okay, npm run dev. So we have these things. Okay, now first, can you give me the Axios interceptors code for this? This is a critical part of frontend. At auto refer handling for lib ep.ts axios error store from with credential option for key if need later. Okay, what is the store at the rate auth slice user node give me the full code. Warike2, hello my friend. Why don't you use PNPM? Uh, I don't know. I have not used it before, and that's why right now, maybe in future I'll use it. Okay, all right. I'll give you a complete production ready setup, not snippets. This is taken Next.js app, lib api.ts. Okay, yeah, base URL, API URL. Okay, set the request.use config state get state auth token this token and config check get response request okay so optional smash logout store index.ts. The fuck is this? क्या बेकार कोड लिख रहा है यार ये, छी, घटिया कोड लिखा है जीपीटी। एनिमेशन किडो, भाई कल आप कल क्यों नहीं आए? भाई कल मैं दूसरे काम में थोड़ा बिजी था तो उसकी वजह से नहीं आ पाया। वारिक है। npm downloads package every time when you type npm. PNPM only downloads in one time and reuse it later, faster and better. Okay, performant npm. Okay, nice. Thanks for the suggestion, Varike. So first, let's go here. So it will go according to this. This is my Next.js 16 code. App auth register page. App slash auth slash register dot slash page dot tsx page dot tsx and login here, login page dot, have this here, fine, this is done. Now I want to implement backend src auth component. This is my express node, this is my express backend code. Auth dot auth dot route dot ts, auth dot schema dot ts, auth dot schema dot ts, auth dot service dot ts, fine, this is done. Now I want to create the register and login feature of the app. Use Axios and also use Axios interceptors. Use Axios interceptors. The backend API ghost API route URL is http localhost 4000 slash API slash v1 slash. Varike, what type of application this will be? This is a appointment booking SaaS, software as a service. Have you used Claude? Yes, no, not yet. I have used Cursor. So yeah, Animator. भाई चैटबॉट से ज़रा गेमिंग का कोड भी बनाया जा सकता है कि ताकि प्ले स्टोर में अपलोड कर सके. आई हैव नो आइडिया. Your backend is clean, production ready. Now let's wire up frontend properly. Resolve redux. Sort, react perform, fine. Axios instance will intercept and live Axios. Token, const token, cookies. But okay, just a sec. I come here, if I go to package.json, but in my backend, I haven't used cookies. I am passing the token, the in authorization header. Good, that's actually a clean and common approach. You don't need cookies at all, but then your current front runner has one mistake. So cookies, even though backend isn't using them, let's fix properly. Backend, option recommend for now local storage, simple work, option advanced later. Okay, memory redux, okay, fix store token. Give me the full code. Yes, okay. Deepak Kandpal, hello bro. Hello Deepak, welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? पार्थ परमार, हेलो पार्थ, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम, हाउ आर यू? भाई मेरी कॉलेज वाले पागल हो गए हैं। पहले इन्होंने जेएस नहीं करवाया और नेक्स्ट सेम में रिएक्ट और मोंगो हो। ऑल्दो मुझे तो आता है, पर क्या सोच के सिलेबस डिज़ाइन करते हैं ये लोग। पता नहीं भाई कॉलेज क्या करते हैं, लाइक मैं कॉलेज पे भरोसे मैंने उठा दिया अपना। गिव मी क्लीन एंड प्रोडक्शन रेडी कोड। Can't read local storage token exposed to, okay. Use redux instead of the stand. भाई कॉलेज से सच में गूगल जैसी कंपनी क्रैक किया जा सकता है क्या? मुझे तो नहीं लगता। कर सक लोग तो करते हैं, लाइक बहुत कम लोग करते हैं, बट पॉसिबल है। ओके, बाद में फाइनल स्ट्रक्चर क्यों देता है भाई? Action state reduces okay, extra reduces builder case fetch is fulfilled. Action okay. Oops, okay. Refresh tokens. You should name 01 machine. भाई जो SaaS आप 25 की एज में बना रहे हो, क्या मैं उसे अपनी बीटेक के ईयर्स में बना सकता हूँ? हाँ, बना सकते हो। Just a sec, stream health is fine, yeah. Was it? Front end. Okay. Give me the full code. Redux.js toolkit, React Redux, actually okay. Zord. So have we installed Zord package.json? Zord, okay. So here I need to install, close this, npm install redux, either redux js toolkit, toolkit react redux. Okay, done. npm dev, close this. Now if I go here, lib, where is my lib? axios.ts, axios.ts, yeah, then auth token.ts, API auth.ts, okay, lib. Then we have here auth token.ts. Then inside lib we have API, and inside this we have auth.ts. Inside this we have auth.ts. Then inside this we have validators.ts, validators and auth.ts. Have auth.ts here. Okay, it's done. Now here I need redux store.ts, hooks.ts. We have store.ts. We have here hooks.ts, slices folder, new folder, slices auth slice.ts. Hold on. There we have this auth slice.ts. Then here we have front end hooks, user auth init.ts, init user auth init.ts, app providers layout auth login page. This is done. Dashboard page.tx, okay. Providers done. Front end app, we have providers.tsx app. Here we have providers.tsx. Then layout we have, this is dashboard slash page.tsx app. Here new folder dashboard. Then I have page.tsx. Done. Close all of this, close all. Okay, front end we have this. Okay, so first, single source of truth, live auth token.ts single source of truth. Okay, auth token.ts. So what are we doing here? Let access token equals string or null. Okay, null. Token service get token Parth Parmar. Okay, Ibrahim Osin. Hello, Ibrahim. Welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? Abhishek, bro, watched Dhurandhar. It's good, bro. It's good. By anime comparison, it's no game, no life level. It's good. Okay, glad you liked Dhurandhar. I haven't seen Dhurandhar yet. रितेश, हेलो रितेश, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम। और सर कैसे हैं आप? मैं ठीक हूँ रितेश, आप कैसे हो? कोडर यूट्यूबर, कीप गोइंग। थैंक्स कोडर यूट्यूबर एंड वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम। एनिमेशन किडो, अभिषेक इज माय सीनियर। ओके, एनिमेशन, ओके, बीटेक नहीं बेस्टी हो चुका है ये तो। ओके, मतलब समझा नहीं मैं। एनिमेशन बीटेक नहीं बेस्टी हो चुका है ये तो मतलब। ओके रितेश, और सर कैसे हो आप? मैं बढ़िया रितेश, आप कैसे हो? Ibrahim Osin, I'm going to watch Dhurandhar 2 tonight, 11:30 show. I need to see the epic revenge. Man, I was surprised by how much Congress hold India dude crazy, at least in the movie. Okay, animation kiddo. Okay, मैं ठीक हूँ रितेश, आप कैसे हो? ओके, बीटेक मतलब बेरोजगार लिख के ले लो अब तो। ओके, Ibrahim Ocean. Abhishek is in zone. He is in flow state right now, full focused. Thank you, Ibrahim. Yeah, I was, just checking out the codes and everything. Uh, Mirror slave Vinova. Hello, Mirror slave Vinova. Welcome to the stream, Vivnova. Why did you choose Next.js? Actually, I chose Next.js because I need the SEO optimization for my SaaS, so that somebody searches my SaaS get listed in the Google. That's why. If that was not the case, I would have chosen normal React. रितेश, मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हो? ओके रितेश, ओके। क्रिस वेक्टर बेस, हेलो क्रिस वेक्टर, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम। एनिमेशन भाई बेस्टी बेस्टी है भाई। बेस्टी भाई, बेस्टी मजाक बन जाना मतलब। ओके, so let's get started now. So we are doing access token as string or null, and by default it's null. Okay, export const token service, fine. And get token, we are creating this function. If access token, return access token. If type window is not equal to undefined item logo, get item, okay, return access token. Very good. Set token and clear token. Okay, then axios dot instance interceptors. Okay, token service, we are getting token service. Then API, okay, base URL. Okay, base URL is this. Okay, fine, very good. Then we have just a sec. Okay, we have this API interceptor requires a config. Get token if there's token headers. Okay, return config. Okay, if there's no token, then this will not go into this case and simply return config. Okay, fine. Then API layer, leave API. Okay, auth response, ID, name, email, role. Okay, very good. Then token, we have this const auth API. Okay, Miroslav Vivona. What is the name? Miroslav Slavi Vanov. Hello, Miro. It's my first time coming to your stream. What SaaS are you building? Basically, I'm building appointment booking SaaS for online and offline services. Ibrahim Mosin, the animation kiddo has some screw loose, it seems, or he's drunk. Okay. Good YouTuber. Abhi, why you did not stream live yesterday? Good YouTuber, yesterday I had some work, so I was not able to stream. Animation kiddo, okay. Chris Vector. I check my project code. Base, type Nilesh Pratap Singh and check the e-commerce site once. You can DM the link in the Instagram or you can join the Discord server. Then I'll check it out after the stream. Guys, Ibrahim, guys, just like chill, relax, take it in a fun way. Please, Abhishek, tell Ibrahim Mohsin talk without being abusive. Okay, like Ibrahim, animation kiddo is not liking it, so maybe you can like just chill. Animation kiddo, you can also chill. Guys, just chill and relax. It's a fun zone. It's hey, this is we are here to hang out and build something. Okay. Normal Express app. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so we are doing this dot validation validators. Let's get started now. So first we need is this thing. Let access token of type string or null, and by default it will be null, right? Then export const token service. Export const token service is this, and we have here get token. Get token. Get token. We have this. If there is an access token, then if there's an access token, we'll return access token. I think return access token. Return access token. Fine. And if type of window is not equal to undefined, if type of window is not equal to undefined, will simply access token equals local storage dot get item access token, or just token. Okay, we'll just call it token. Fine, we have token here, and then we'll simply return access token. This is the get token function. Then we have the set token function, where we take token as an input, and here we have access token equals token. We are assigning it, and then okay, Ibrahim, I did it abuse. What the fish? Okay. Rakta Bhattacharya, service layer pattern, custom exceptions, pagination, search, filtering, proper Docker, job queues. Okay, that's great, Rakta Bhattacharya. Your backend knowledge is quite strong. Ibrahim, I just stated an observation, assertive sentence. Anyway, Abhishek, I'm chill. Yeah, bro. Like, I understand. Like some people, like if someone is not able to take the joke, that's fine. Chris Vetter, you can just check the structure of this and tell me how it is. I'll check it after the stream. Right now I'm working on it on my project Animation Kiddo. अभिषेक आप खुद बताओ ना, आप SaaS इसलिए तो बना रहे हो क्योंकि आप किसी के अंडर काम नहीं करना चाहते, फिर इसका मतलब क्या है कि बीटेक में कुछ नहीं रखा, और वही मैंने बोला बीटेक इज इक्वल टू बेरोज़गार. एक्चुअली ऐसा नहीं है, मैं SaaS इसलिए नहीं बना कि मुझे किसी का अंडर काम नहीं करना है, वो रीज़न नहीं है. एक्चुअली क्या है कि अगर मैं किसी का अंडर भी काम लाइक इवन इफ आई एम डूइंग अ जॉब, आई वांट like that company to do something that I'm actually interested in, right? So that's why even if I get a job, I want to work in a startup because I want to contribute to building the product. So ऐसा नहीं कि मैं जॉब वॉब इसलिए नहीं कर रहा हूँ कि मुझे किसी घंटे काम करना है एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स, नो, ऐसा नहीं है. आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू कंट्रीब्यूट टू कंपनी दैट इज डूइंग समथिंग दैट आई ऑल्सो लाइक. So that's the thing, and I'm building my SaaS because right now I want to build something of my own. That's it. Atharva Chaudhary. Hello Atharva, welcome to the stream. If we have done web development in MERN stack, is it important to do TypeScript? Yes, it is important to do TypeScript because TypeScript has become industry standard now. एनिमेटर के फिर बोलता है कि ऐसे वैसे बोल दिया. ओके, स्मोक वीड एंड इफ यू नीड दैट ब्रो, यू सफ़र फ्रॉम ADHD अगेन, नो अब्यूज, जस्ट एन ऑब्जर्वेशन. ओके. गेम बॉस. हेलो गेम बॉस, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. भाई आज खाने में क्या खाया आपने डिनर में? आज मैंने डिनर में रोटी चिकन खाया. क्रिस वेक्टर, ट्राई न्यू विम विथ लेजी विम पैकेज मैनेजर फॉर द ID. ओके, आई चेक इट आउट. एनिमेशन किडो. ओके. पर भाई आपने स्टार्टिंग ऑफ योर स्ट्रीम में बताया थे, मुझे याद है. लाइक ऐसा किसी का अंडर काम करने वाला चीज़ नहीं है मुझे. लाइक अगर मैं स्टार्टअप में भी काम कर रहा हूँ, आई वॉन्ट टू कंट्रीब्यूट टू समथिंग दैट एक्चुअली मीन्स समथिंग टू मी. दैट्स इट. तो MNC मैंने इसलिए छोड़ा क्योंकि दे वर डूइंग थिंग्स दैट आई वाज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन. Access token, and if type of window is not equal to undefined local storage dot set item token. Fine. Yep. Then after this clear token, then there we have clear token is another function. Access token, make it null. Fine. And local storage dot remove item token. Done. Okay, this is done. Then Axios, then lib, then we have lib, we have here Axios. Okay, so import Axios from Axios. एनिमेशन किडो. पर भाई अपन. ओके, स्वप्नील, चैट जीपीटी से नहीं होगा क्या? सी चैट जीपीटी अगर UI तो वी नो ना हाउ टू बिल्ड द UI. सो आई जस्ट लाइक टू गेट द फ्यू थिंग्स फ्रॉम GPT, देन आई एम ट्राइंग टू पुट इट ऑल टुगेदर ऑन माई ओन. ओके. क्रिस वेक्टर, भाई मैं फ्रेशर हूँ, मेरे कॉलेज जो तो ऑफर करता है, लेकिन इतनी हाई फिल्टर शॉर्टलिस्टिंग के लिए लगता है कि शॉर्टलिस्ट नहीं हो पाऊँ. कुछ बता दो ऑफ कैंपस लेने के लिए. सी अगर आप फ्रेशर हो तो अगर आपका CGPA हाई है तो फिल्टर तो हो ही जाओगे CGPA हाई रहने से. एंड ऑफ कैंपस फिर प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ. प्रोजेक्ट्स इज द की. इब्राहिम मोहसिन, दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव पर्सपेक्टिव गैप. नो इश्यूज. ओके. गेम बज. हेलो गेम बज, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. भाई एनिमेशन किडो शायद सही भी है क्योंकि ज़्यादातर स्टूडेंट्स को जॉब नहीं मिलती बीटेक के बाद. वही ये कहना चाह रहा है. क्यों अभिषेक भाई? हाँ देखो, ये सही बात. लाइक आई अग्री दैट most of the students have a BTech don't get a job because there is this imbalance in our country that there are less number of jobs and there are more number of students who need job. That's why this is the first reason. Second reason is that around 80% of the students that graduate from BTech, they don't have the required skills even to get a job. Swapnil, do we need good laptop for this? You can do it with 8 GB RAM laptop also. Coder YouTuber. Abhi, I'm a regular viewer. Yeah, Coder YouTuber, I know. And thanks for being a regular viewer, man. It means a lot. ओके हेलो हेलो एआई के वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम। और कहाँ से अप्लाई करूँ जॉब के लिए? आप पहले प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ, डिप्लॉय मारो, एंड उसके बाद अगर आप लिंक्डइन में तो लिंक्डइन यूज़ करो, और नहीं तो आप ऑनलाइन सर्च मारो, लाइक रिमोट जॉब्स के लिए अप्लाई मारो। रिमोट जॉब्स तो बेस्ट ऑप्शन होता है मेरे हिसाब से। Ibrahim Mohsin, people don't do jobs for BTech for jobs only. Those 4 years in engineering teaches you a lot about life rather than engineering. Yeah, this I agree with. Like in BTech, we learn a lot of things because we are away from our home. We are living on our maybe we are living in a PG or we are living in a hostel, so we learn to survive alone. Why everyone looks at rote learning? What is rote learning? I have learned Stack. I built some basic projects, but now I want to explore other fields like AI, ML, cybersecurity. Does it happen to you also? Should I learn Stack in detail? I'm confused. I will suggest you learn one thing in detail, like be very good in it, and then you can learn other things also. Right now, I am also learning deep learning with PyTorch. Swapnil, what skills are most demanding to get a job? Uh, like in tech field, cyber security, then cloud engineering and AIML engineer are in demand right now. गेम बस अभिषेक भाई, और संडे को क्या सोचा है? कोई मूवी या घूमने जाना? अभी तक तो कुछ प्लान नहीं है मूवी और मूवी लाइक वैसे मुझे ना थिएटर में जाके ना बैठ के मूवी देखना ना लाइक काफ़ी टायरिंग लगता है कि जाके बैठ के देखते रहो। आई डोंट नो। तो अभी मूवी देखने का कोई सीन है नहीं। केस वेक्टर आई एम आस्किंग फॉर द प्लेटफॉर्म लाइक लिंक्डइन, ग्लासडोर। या लिंक्डइन इज देयर, यू कैन गो फॉर वी वर्क रिमोटली, दैट प्लेटफॉर्म ऑल्सो। एनिमेशन रट्टा मारना और समझना नहीं, बीटेक स्टूडेंट बीटेक्स के सब्जेक्ट या ये तो काफ़ी होता है। रट्टा मारने से कुछ नहीं होता है, एग्ज़ाम पास हो जाएगा लेकिन समझ में कुछ नहीं आएगा। टोकन सर्विस, गॉट इट। export const API equals axios dot create, then we have base URL http localhost /API/v1. We got the base URL here. API.interceptors.request.use config. We have config here. Config here we have, yeah, okay. So const token equals token service dot get token, and if there is a token, if we have a token, then we have config dot headers dot authorization equals bearer token. Fine, we have this, and after this return config. Done. This is done. Then API dot interceptors dot response dot use res, and here we have error, right? And now we have if error dot response dot status, error dot response dot status equals to 401. Token service dot clear token, and window dot location dot href equals /auth/login, right? Done. After this is done, Then we have return promise dot reject on error. Fine, this is done. Okay, this is also done, and now we need API layer. एनिमेशन, वही मैं बोला, और शायद इब्राहिम मोहसिन भैया को समझ नहीं आया, मुझे मुझसे बड़े हैं। ओके, गेम बस सीरियस मैटर हो गया है चैट पे अभिषेक भाई। एआई के, व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट AR VR डेव जॉब्स इन इंडिया? AR ऑगमेंटेड रियलिटी, सी अभी तो इंडिया बहुत पीछे है भाई ऑगमेंटेड रियलिटी, बिकॉज लाइक ऑगमेंटेड, what is the position of India in AR slash VR? India's AR slash VR is experiencing rapid growth of 1.5 billion by 2030, driven by higher smartphone के, लाइक 2030 में $1.5 बिलियन होगा, तो अभी भी हम लोग काफ़ी पीछे हैं AR VR में। मे बी 2030 के बाद कुछ हो, अभी तो लाइक वी आर क्वाइट behind. So now we have this auth response. Okay, API auth.ts. Dinesh, hello Dinesh, welcome to the stream. How can you be so motivated and consistent? Whenever I sit coding or learning something, my mind always says watch reels or play some more games. सी आई डोंट बिलीव इन मोटिवेशन, मैं मोटिवेशन पे भरोसा नहीं करता क्योंकि मोटिवेशन आता है जाता है, बट आई बिलीव इन डिसिप्लिन। डिसिप्लिन बिकॉज डिसिप्लिन डज नॉट केयर इफ़ यू फील गुड, इफ़ यू फील बैड. डिसिप्लिन इज अबाउट showing up every single day no matter what happens, unless and it's a family emergency or you have something else, that's okay, but discipline is about showing up every single day. एनिमेशन पे भाई, आपकी मंथली सैलरी कितना होगा अगर आप अभी जॉब कर रहे होते? तो पता नहीं भाई, ये सब मैं तो सैलरी वैलरी के बारे में सोचता ही नहीं हूँ। अब खुद का कुछ बनाना है, बस उसी पे फोकस है। कोडेड अभी, आर यू यूजिंग गूगल क्लाउड फॉर फ्री वर्जन सर्विसेज फॉर दिस SaaS और पेड? राइट नाउ एवरीथिंग इज फ्री, मे बी इन फ्यूचर आई हैव टू गेट द पेड वर्जन. Atharva Chaudhary, hello Atharva, welcome to the stream. DS in C++ or Java? If Java, then why not C++? See, C++ is very good. It was my first programming language that I learned. So I will still suggest go with Java because in C++ you have to handle memory management also. So just a sec, man. Okay. Yeah. So you have to manage memory also in C++. So that's why I prefer Java, because Java has automatic garbage collection. That's why. GGVO5, hello GG, welcome to the stream. Bro, do you run Postgres locally or on Docker? I right now I'm using PG admin. Like I'll run Postgres in my laptop. Like I don't use it in Docker. AIK, आपका पास्ट कंपनी इन्वायरमेंट कैसा था? काफ़ी बेकार था, काफ़ी बेकार. गो बस, आई हैव सम डाउट्स. ओके, यू कैन आस्क. AIK, लाइक माई पास्ट कंपनी का इन्वायरमेंट इट्स अ टिपिकल MNC इन्वायरमेंट. एक छोटे से काम को दे टेक इट 1 month टू डू, एंड ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है. लाइक आई डू नॉट लाइक द वर्किंग कल्चर. इम्पोर्ट API from Axios. Novarix, why not vibe coding? Because I want total control of my code and I want to understand the context of the code also. Because if vibe coding is good enough for making small MVPs, but if you are trying to build something like scalable and like a solid program, then a solid application, then you have to understand the code on your own. Flanking Gaming. Hello, Flanking. Welcome to the stream. I'm new in CS sector. Can you give me some advice, ideas? Um, Try to avoid shiny syndrome. Like, don't try to learn 10 things at once. Pick one thing and be very good in it. एनिमेशन की दो भाई पाइथन और एनाकोंडा है, इनका डेवलपर ज़रूर स्नेक्स का बेस्ट फ्रेंड होगा. एक्सपोर्ट इंटरफेस auth response user गेम बस. भाई शादी कब फिर, जब सास बन जाएगा और अच्छा इनकम बने. देख शादी क्या क्या है यार, शादी तो मैं जब 40 का होऊंगा तभी भी कर लूँगा. अभी शादी पे तो फोकस है नहीं भाई. सो यूज़र आईडी वी हैव आईडी नेम email Flanking Gaming. Got it, by the way. Thanks. Welcome, Flanking Gaming. Novorix, what's your experience? I have freelancing experience and 1 year of working experience as well. Okay, web developer. SaaS क्या होता है? SaaS is software as a service. Bro, I'm new to your channel. I love how you how fast you respond to comments. But I have questions. Yeah, you can ask Novorix. Email string and role also string, and this we got this, and then I need token as well. Hold on, let's just check. Test user, hold on, test user 6, test user 6, test user 6, what we get? So user and token. Okay, I think I should keep okay, and in the login part, this is the login part. Here let's make it for test user 6, test user 6. Okay, user and token alag se. Okay, this is done, and here we go. Fine. Auth API, register, login. Okay, so this, after this, export const auth API equals register is a function. बस भाई एक फैक्ट तो ये है, यहाँ चैट पे आधे से ज़्यादा बंदे तो सैस की फुल फॉर्म जानते नहीं होंगे और बातें करते हैं कि मुझे भी सैस बनाना है जैसे कि कोई हलवा हो. सैस बिल्ड करना, सी कहीं ना कहीं से लोग सीखते हैं. तो पहले तो कहीं से एक्सपोजर मिलता है. तो इफ़ माई चैनल इज़ एबल टू गिव देम एक्सपोजर, देन मे बी अगर उनका इंटरेस्ट हो तो वो लोग फिर इसके बारे में और ज़्यादा जानेंगे. फ्लैंकिंग गेमिंग, भैया आपने ग्रेजुएशन कहाँ से की है? मैंने ग्रेजुएशन सिक्किम मणिपाल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी से की है. नोवरिक्स. आई डोंट वांट इन्वेस्ट इन स्टार्ट, आई डोंट want invest in start on my SaaS before I get some paying users. I'm confused in tech stack. Could you recommend any future proof scalable one? Allos, which you recommend, Supabase or see Supabase? All of these are fine, but I will recommend you if you want to go home build. I personally avoid backend as a service platforms because I want full control of my code. And see, don't get so much confused about tech stack, because nobody cares about the tech stack. People actually care about an end product. So whatever tech stack you know, go with it. Coder YouTuber. Abhi, I am interested in Google Summer of Code, but have no proposal idea. You provide some suggestion. See, GSOC is a very good platform. If you are able to crack it, then that's really good. uh, Maybe you should pick one language. For example, if you're into JavaScript, then go to Google, search any good open source, like open source projects that is built using JavaScript, and also see that if that particular open source is listed in GSOC or not. If it is listed, then maybe you can send some suggestions there. Game Buzz. Okay, no worries. Okay. भाई टेक इट एज अ जोक, जितने भी आपके पोल पे वोट्स है उतने $1 million आपकी इनकम होगी 2030 तक, लिख के ले लो. ओ थैंक्स एनिमेशन किडो, थैंक्स लॉट मैन. Flanking gaming, did you also build websites? Yeah, I have built websites as freelancer. Register data. Let's do one thing. This is my validator, right? First create the validation. Z from Zod, right? Then export const register schema equals Z dot object name Z dot string this is done. Export const login schema Z dot object email Z dot string dot email. It's actually email, right? Z dot email and password Z dot string dot min 1. Password cannot be empty, or password must be at least 6 characters long. This is done, and this is done. Login schema done, and here using this we can create the type also. Just a sec. Where was it? Prisma Zod types. Lib auth errors. Okay, auth. Okay, just a sec. Validate.ts. Save paths. Okay, formats are not this one. Public store types. Okay, not this one. So what are we doing here? And in Novarix. Could you explain self-controlled auth, please? Self-controlled auth. It's like self-controlled auth. For example, we have third parties like Clerk and all. That makes things very easy. But I think self-controlled auth is basically any custom auth that you want to build for your backend. I think that's what self-controlled auth is. Game buzz. भाई SaaS के कुछ सीईओ के नाम बता दो जो आपकी तरह खुद के SaaS बिल्ड किए हैं और आज डॉलर में इनकम हो. यार नाम तो मुझे याद नहीं है. एनिमेशन ओके. फ्लैंकिंग गेमिंग ऑन देन देन आई विल बी इन टच विथ यू. ओके नो ब्रेक्स. ओके भाई 10 में से होता है. Because I have built a website, I'm so confused, but I don't have any money or investor. Okay, flanking gaming, understood. AIK, what's the theme pilot? Is that the theme pilot is called Cat Pacino. No bricks. Why not? You should wipe code whole structure, then make changes according to save a lot of time. Actually, yeah, it can, but the thing is that you have to understand the code base first. मोहम्मद नासिर ब्रो कितना परसेंटेज ये प्रोजेक्ट बन गया है. बैकएंड तो हो गया, आज फ्रंट एंड स्टार्ट किए. Anuj Gupta, backend complete. Yeah, backend is done. Just payment part is left, and I think before we implement payment, we should build the back full front end and make the app running. Then only we can implement payment. No breaks. I have vibe coded a lot of sites and did a lot of scripting too to automate work. Okay. फ्लैंकिंग भैया मैंने अभी 12th लग रहा है परसेंटेज अच्छा नहीं आएंगे तो क्या NIT ये हाँ NIT में घुस जाओ. No worries. Okay, Mohammed Nasi, thanks. Okay, just a sec, guys. I'll take a 5 minutes break. Give me a few minutes. Hold on. 5 minutes break. Just a sec. I'll be back in 5 minutes. Break. 5 minutes break. Hold on. I'll be back, guys. Hello everyone. Hello, hello. I'm back. So yeah, what's up? I'm back. Okay. Okay. So what was it? Okay, no bricks. Okay. AIK. I love PDF. One of the best open source has. I agree. Basha. Hello, Basha. Welcome to the stream. Are all backend of your SaaS project in are in the playlist? Yeah, like today is the first day we are building the front end of the SaaS, and previous streams are the backend. बट एनआईटी के लिए 75% चाहिए रहता है और मुझे लग रहा है 55 प्लस भी नहीं आएगा तो एन आई ओ एस दे के जे या डायरेक्ट क्यूट ओके ओके फाइन लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड so we did this and if I come here go to repository social media yeah this one and if I go front end src schemas or dot schema we did this yeah this one this infer form data we are doing this infer form data and in auth api will user form data register user form data and form data okay we can do this so const export type export type register user form data equals z dot infer here we can use type of register schema this one and same with export type login user form data and this will be login schema done so this is done and now if I come to this part where is it here this we did now this one okay register async data register user form data register user form and this I don't need to write and there we go and const response equals await api dot post slash auth slash register and we pass the data then we do return res dot dot data as auth response why are we getting this auth okay just this one is required really this much is dot data so res dot data okay as auth response okay let's do this only as auth response as auth response right okay fine as auth response we got register and we also need login here async Focus dev, bro. Abhishek, hello. Currently, I am in college. Everyone is grinding DSN, CP like crazy. No one is building things. See, focus dev, you have to do both. Like during your daytime, you can do 1 or 2 DSA questions. Don't give 8 to like those people like 6 to 8 hours to DSA. Don't do that. Just do 1 or 2 questions every single day, and the rest of the day you can build things. Okay. So game bus. Please Abhishek bhai, block him. Block whom? Game bus. Whom should I block? And what's happening? Just a sec. What is happening? Do let me know what is happening, guys, in the chat. Is anybody making you uncomfortable or anything? Do let me know. Async. There we go. Login async. Auth response. We have async here, and we have data here. Login user form data. Okay, login. Then here we have this. Game bus. Do ask for this. What's up, focus def? What is happening, guys? Const res equals await API dot host slash auth slash login, and we pass the data. And then return res dot data as auth response. Fine. Okay, this is done. Then get me async focus. Nothing, bro. The animation kid needs to be humbled, bro. He's continuously poking him without any reason. सब मेरे अगेंस्ट है ये कल animation kid. Like if you are crossing any boundaries, then I might have to tell you to just chill, because this is very wrong that you are like, if you are provoking anyone, don't do that. This is a place where we are trying to build something, we are trying to interact with people who think like us, so kindly don't spoil it. And yeah, get me this. Don't provoke anyone, that's what I'm trying to say. Async this const res equals await API dot get slash auth slash me, then return res dot data. Cool. So APIs are done. We have built the API, validators, and redux. Okay, animation do. भाई आप पूरी चैट में देखो, कहीं भी मैंने कोई भी पोकिंग नहीं किया है. गेम बज आग लगा रहा है सच में. ओके, redux fine. Now if I go to front end redux store.ts, you have store.ts here. Okay, configure store, import, we need to import configure store from @redux.js toolkit. Okay, then import. Okay, fine. auth reducer तो अभी मिलेगा नहीं मेरे को. Okay, export const, we have store equals configure store, then we have reducer here, auth, and it will be auth. Okay, we don't have reducer. Fine, we don't have any reducers for now. And then export export type root state, return type of store dot get state. Done. Then export type app dispatch equals type of store dot dispatch. Done. Okay, we have built the redux store. Okay, now redux hooks.ts. okay, redux, inside redux we have hooks.ts. Coder YouTube Abhi, which hosting platform you will be use for the SaaS? I'll be using DigitalOcean VPS for hosting, and I think for front end I'll go with Vercel maybe. Like in this SaaS, the deployment will be a little bit different. The front end will be deployed in Vercel, and backend will be deployed in VPS DigitalOcean. Okay. Tap Fusion 2. Hi, I'm back. Pehchana bhai. Another day starts with you, my buddy. Hello, Tap Fusion 2. Welcome back to my stream, brother. Yes, I do remember you. विराज अभिषेक भाई, आप परसों कहाँ थे? आपकी याद आ रही थी. मैं कल अवेलेबल नहीं था. परसों तो मैं स्ट्रीम किया था आई थिंक. टाइप फ्यूजन अभिषेक भाई, आप कल नहीं आए तो ऐसा लगा लाइफ में कुछ अधूरा सा रह गया. ओ थैंक्स टाइप फ्यूजन 2. थैंक्स अलॉट मैन. I'm glad that you're enjoying the stream so much. Shubhashish Dhara. Hello Shubhashish, welcome to the stream. Which keyboard you use? It's Evo Fox FK11. Okay, so we have hooks here. Now use the user hook. Okay, import use dispatch PATCH use dispatch use selector typed use selector hook from React Redux use app dispatch export const use app dispatch okay, use dispatch. Here we have app dispatch from store. Okay, and this. Okay, then export const use app selector equals this typed use selector hook root state. Root state equals use selector. Fine. Okay, this is also done. टैप फ्यूजन 2 भाई, आज का टास्क बैकएंड, आज का टास्क फ्रंट एंड है. बैकएंड का पेमेंट बाकी है, वो हम लोग ऐप का फ्रंट एंड बनाने के बाद करेंगे. Raj, when Abhishek Bhai wakes up late, son apologizes for rising early. Funny. टैप फ्यूजन 2 फ्रंट एंड कंप्लीट सो मेनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन बैक एंड कंप्लीट हो गया फ्रंट एंड अभी चल रहा है काम टैप फ्यूजन आई थिंक आज मैं लेट हो गया आप ऑफ जाने वाले हो गया अच्छा कोड यू डोंट अवॉइड नॉन वेज ड्यूरिंग नवरात्रि नो आई डोंट अवॉइड नॉन वेज इन एनी सर्कमस्टांसेस we have this auth slice redux aik which keyboard is that evo fox fk11 hooks then auth slice okay so redux slices auth slice viraj non-veg is lifeline of Abhishek bhai yeah I like protein so this import we have import create slice create async thunk import api auth api service import token service is auth state is authenticated boolean is loading to false. Hold on, why user is any? No, user will have a type. What type does user have? User has id of type string, name of type string, email of type string, role of type string. That's it. Boolean, then there we go. User of type, hold on, copy this. You for FK11, yes. Tap Fusion, congratulations for your success. Keep growing, brother, and keep your mind so focused as you are. Thank you, Tap Fusion. Huang Tran, hello Huang Tran, welcome to the stream. Where's AI? Where's coding agent? Are you coding like 10 years ago? Actually, I want full control of my code, so I'm not using any AI agents. Viraj, Abhishek Bhai, why I feel I'm so bad at planning flows in projects. See, as a beginner, planning the project can be a big task, but the thing is that you have to understand the flow. Like before you write a single piece of code, try to build the ER diagram, what modules you need, what tables you need, what is the relationship between the tables. Try to understand that. Tab Fusion, भाई आपके यहाँ भी सिलेंडर का शॉर्टेज हुआ है क्या? हाँ भाई हुआ है, हुआ तो है. And create here index.ts, export type user has a string id, then user has a id, user has a name, user has a email of type string, user has a role of type string. Fine. Slice user, let's make an interface export It's a user, a user, come here, I make it I user and import it like this. I user, remove this, fine. And just a sec, now get logged in user. Let's get this and let's see what we get in logged in user here. Get logged in user. ID, name, email, role created at. Okay. ID, no, okay, here in index.ts we also need created at date. Okay, so there we go, we have this. Then const initial state equals auth state we have user of type null. Okay, it should be like this, auth user or null, fine. User or null is authenticated to false, is loading to true, I think. Okay, it will be boolean. Okay, fine, this is the initial state. Viraj, yes, where to place foreign keys and what fields to choose is a big headache. You have, if this is the issue, then you need to understand DBMS properly. You need to learn DBMS. Flanking game, bhaiya, can you suggest me some AI to build websites and know less about how to build a website? Bhaiya, can you suggest me some AI to build websites? See, AI, though I don't directly use AI in, while building websites. You can go with Chat GPT only. Tell what you're trying to build and tell GPT to regenerate the code. Harshal, hello Harshal, welcome to my stream. So, bro, what's your expectation from the SaaS? See, I'm not attaching any expectation because expectation leads to disappointment. I'm building my main focus is to each and every day give my best. So I'm focused on today. But today my goal is to build the front end and just taking it one day at a time. That's it. टैप फ्यूजन 2 भाई जिम टाइम क्या होता है आपका? जिम मैं यूजुअली दोपहर को जाता हूँ. Viraj, what is JWT? Yes, that is JWT. I'm using JWT in my authentication. Flanking gaming. विराज, टैप फ्यूजन भाई जिम के बाद टपाटप करने का प्लान बना रहे हैं. विराज, अभिषेक भाई सी उनके SaaS एप्लीकेशन चोरी करने का प्लान है. ओके, दीपक कंटपाल, हेलो ब्रो, व्हाट द प्रोग्रेस? हेलो दीपक, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. We are building the front end today and now we are writing the auth slice code. टाइप फ्यूजन भाई चैट सेक्शन को ये लोग इंस्टाग्राम के कमेंट्स की तरह क्यों बना रहे हैं? आई डोंट नो मैन. What are you? Why are you not using any AI? Because I need full control of my app, full control of my code. I need to understand the code, and this is a full like production grade SaaS that I'm building. It's not a simple MVP type of thing. So yeah. Gumball, hello जी, hello Gumball, welcome to the stream. Gumball, भाई React और Redux toolkit के setup कैसे करते हो? Okay, simple है. पहले you need to install Redux and Redux.js toolkit. React Redux also you need to install. Then you need to create the slice, the store. Same process. Okay, Tab Fusion Pro. Literally, you read the chat of Viraj Patel. Okay, Tab Fusion, please block Viraj Patel. What's up with Viraj Patel? What happened? Initial state. Okay, Viraj. लॉल भाई तो सीरियस हो गए. Export const fetch user create async thunk auth slash fetch user async const res equals await API dot not this one auth API, not this one, remove this, auth API dot get me, fine, then return rest dot user, fine, then we have this init user, then we have login user, and then we have register user also, fine. Okay, then we have, what are we doing? External login user thunk, create async thunk, auth login, data, email, string, password. Fine. And guys, just a reminder, if you're new to the stream, do consider subscribing. ऐसा तो मैं पूछूं कि कोडिंग के टाइम क्या है तो विराज तब यू बोलेगा कि अब तू अभिषेक भाई का कोडिंग है कब करेगा। ओके भाई, आप अपने काम रखो, जो क्वेश्चन करना है वो करो, अभिषेक भाई रिप्लाई देते हैं, दूसरों से क्या मतलब है आपको। ओके आदित्य, क्या बना रहे हो भाई? आदित्य, मैं अपना खुद का B2B SaaS बना रहा हूँ। विराज, मैं तो मस्ती करने आता हूँ। ओके फ्लैंग गेमिंग। लेकिन भाई तुम तो SaaS को ओपन सोर्स कर रहे हो। आई डेंट गेट द पॉइंट, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन? एक्चुअली सी, द MVP वर्जन दैट वी बिल्ड, उसका कोड ओपन सोर्स है, ठीक है। लेटर ऑन, before I deploy it, I'll make, when I start making confidential changes to my app, then it will not be an open source app. हर्षित कश्यप, हर दिन आपके कितने आप कितना पढ़ते हो, ये प्रोजेक्ट का काम करते हो? मैं तो सुबह को आजकल डीप लर्निंग पढ़ रहा हूँ, तो मैं डीप लर्निंग पढ़ता हूँ, उसके बाद मैं खुद के SaaS पे काम करता हूँ। Jagat, hello Jagat, welcome to my stream. I'm first time seeing your live. What is this? What is your developing? Hello Jagat, welcome to the stream. I'm trying to build my own SaaS, software as a service, and it's a B2B appointment booking SaaS that I'm trying to build using Perl Stack, Postgres, Express, Next.js for front end, and Node.js. Okay. So const user thunk equals create async thunk auth slash login async, and here we have in data will have email and email of type string and password of type string, right? We have this, and then const response equals await auth API dot login, and we can pass the data here, right? We got pass data, then token service dot set token res dot token, fine, and then return res dot user. Okay, done. Same with register, export const register user thunk, and here we have create async thunk here. Coder YouTuber. Bye Abhishek. Bye Coder YouTuber. Thanks for joining. Type fusion I'm 18 मेरी जा. Okay. Is this Java? No, this is a TypeScript. Okay. Create async thunk, and this will be auth slash register, and here we have async, we have data, and in data we have name of type string, email of type string, password of type string, and after this here we have this, and then we const rest equals await auth API dot register data, and same thing. Token service dot set token as res dot token. Fine. Then simple return res dot user. Done. Then const auth slice. Okay, we have this thing now. Export const, no, not export, just const auth slice. Here we have create slice here, right? We have this create slice here. फ्लैंकिंग मेरा 25 को CS पाइथन का बोर्ड है और मैं दूसरे लैंग्वेज देख रहा हूँ rather than studying. Okay. Kishal Ray. Hello Kishal, welcome to the stream. Bro, you are coding in era 2019. Actually, the thing is that I use AI just for debugging and to get suggestions, and I don't use vibe coding and all those things because I have tried Cursor and all those IDs. But right now I want full control of my code because I'm building a full production grade SaaS that I will be deploying for other people to use it. It's a kind of a business that I'm trying to create here, so I'm not getting fully dependent on AI. That's why. Okay. Jagat. Oh, good. I'm a Discord bot developer, also do web development. That's great, Jagat. Welcome to the stream. Okay. So create slice. Name. Auth. Name is auth. Initial state. Reducers. Logout. State. Token service dot clear token, then state dot user equals null, and state dot is authenticated to false. Okay, this is done. This okay, this is done. Okay, then after this one we have extra reducers. We have passing builder here, and then we have this. We have extra reducers builder dot add case fetch user dot fulfilled comma state comma action equals state dot user equals action dot payload, state dot is authenticated equals true, state dot is loading equals false, right? Done. This is done. Then we have another dot add case. We have this, then dot add case. Again we have fetch user dot rejected state. We have this one, token service dot clear token dot clear token, then state dot user equals null. इसकी माँ की आँख. Copy this. Okay. Jagat, what is your job? Are you a developer or this side work? What do you do for living? Jagat, I had a job. I used to work in an MNC. I left my job, and right now I'm doing freelancing for my living, and also I take one-on-one calls. So if anybody is interested in getting my dedicated guidance for their goal, for example, if they want to be a developer and get a job, or if they want to build their own SaaS or build their own startup, then they can get on a call with me. It's a 1 hour call and it's a paid call, so I provide my dedicated guidance to them so that they can achieve their goal. Okay, Rahul build. Man, not gonna lie, I did vibe coding. Hello Rahul, welcome to the stream. I did vibe coding, made production level as well, but felt like I got dumber. Now I use it only as a search engine. Yeah, see, the thing is that you have to understand the code base. No matter if you write the code yourself, if writing the code yourself helps you to understand the code better, then go for it. If not, then if you're able to understand the code written by AI, that is also good. But the main game is to understand the code. Rahul, by the way, why are you copying from ChatGPT? Actually, I'm not I'm copying. Basically, I told GPT what I want to build, and it gave me a suggestions. Then I understood the code, and I saw that okay, it's a good suggestion, and this will work for my code. So that's why I'm using it as a reference. Okay. Ethereum. Hi Abhishek, how is going? Hello Ethereum, welcome back to the stream. All good, man. How are you? Priyanshu Sharma. Hello Priyanshu, welcome to the stream. Are you in college graduated? Priyanshu, I've completed my BTech. Okay. Not add case. कहाँ गया? Rejected is done. Again dot add case. Login user thunk dot fulfilled state comma action state dot user equals action dot payload state dot is authenticated equals true. What is this issue? Where a user but required declared here. Okay, where is it? Okay, types index.ts, remove this. login user, where is it? Here. It's authenticated. Then dot add case register user thunk dot field state comma action state dot user equals action dot payload and state dot is authenticated equals true. Done. This is also done. Okay, so there's this. Okay, done. Then export const logout equals auth slice dot actions and export default auth slice dot reducer. This is done. And in my store I need this. Okay, auth, then auth reducer, hold on, import auth reducer from dot slash dot. Fine. Okay, this is done. Close this part. Okay, संकेत, हेलो संकेत, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. भाई ये प्रोजेक्ट कब तक रेडी टू यूज होगा एंड हाउ मेनी डेज लेफ्ट? MVP version will be ready in next few weeks. So next few weeks, maybe 2 or 3 weeks. Sanket. Okay, Rahul. Oh, got it. I joined the stream after a long time. What are you working on right now? I'm trying to build my own B2B SaaS, appointment booking SaaS. Jagat. I'm a humanities student and currently studying in +1. After completing +2, can I pursue BCA? When I researched on Google, it said the humanities students can enter the IT field. Yeah, see, you can do BCA. For BCA, you don't need to be from science field. You can be from commerce background or humanities background, right? So you can do BCA, Viraj. Anyone can enter IT field if they are relevant skills. Okay. Anuj Gupta. Hello Anuj. Welcome to the stream. मुझे आज तक ये रिडक्स का एसिंग समझ नहीं आया और ये बिल्डर्स क्यों यूज़ करते हैं. नॉर्मल एक्सियोस API कॉल भी कर सकते हैं, क्यों करे फिर? एक्चुअली इसमें होता क्या है ना कि आपका API कॉल का जो रिस्पॉन्स होता है ना सीधा आपके स्टेट में स्टोर हो जाता है. इफ़ यू डू नॉर्मल एक्सियोस, दैट response will be floating. It will be floating into an entire application. But if you want to store the response in your store, then you can use async, right? Okay, fine. See, this keyboard I bought around 4 to 5 years ago. Priyanshu Sharma. So how many languages you know? Priyanshu, I know Python, Java, TypeScript, JavaScript, and C++. Raj Patel. Also, Abhishek Bhai, do you have knowledge about pandas and NumPy? Yes, I have knowledge about pandas and NumPy. And today only I was learning deep learning with PyTorch. So if you go to my repository, you can use this repository that I'm trying to create. Basically, I'm storing all my notes here, PyTorch notes. So if you want, you can see these notes and the codes. Basically how I build the training module, how I'm training the models, you can see from here. Basically I want to reach a level where I can build my own LLMs, so that's why I'm learning PyTorch and deep learning. Next, after learning deep learning, we'll get into, basically I'm following this roadmap. if anybody is interested for this building my own LLM roadmap that I created. Basically from here I'm following this roadmap, and currently I am in this part, this PyTorch part. Then we can work on this. Then after this PyTorch, I'll start learning NLP. Then after NLP, we'll learn transformers, then large language models. So that's the thing. Okay. Raj Patel, I want to learn pandas and numpy. First, I know basics, but I don't have that much confidence. Confidence comes from writing code and working with data, like real data. Jagat, thank you, bhai. I plan to pursue BCA after completing plus two, preferably in Bangalore. I'm from Kerala. Oh, that's great, Jagat. That's great, and welcome to the stream. The thing is that, yeah, see, no matter what you do, my only advice is that be very good in it. For work on your skills and be really good in it. That's how, like, that's only you will be like hireable. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, hook, use auth in it. Hook. Hold on. Where is it? Hooks. Okay, now we need to go for hooks. Front end hooks. Use auth init. Okay. It's a client component. Use client, and then we'll have export const use auth init const dispatch equals use app dispatch, then use effect and dependency array, and inside use effect const token equals auth what was it, token service, yeah, token service dot get token, right? We got the token here inside. Then if token fetch user, and only if there is a token we'll do dispatch fetch user, and this depends on dispatch here. Done. Okay, fine. Then providers. विराज, when I was doing internship मेरे को तो क्या करना है वही समझ नहीं आता. when the senior से something सब ऊपर से जाता है, क्या बोलते हैं वो. I can understand. आपको खुद रिसर्च करके ये सब सीखना पड़ता है. रजत, hello रजत, welcome to the stream. Hey, I have 6 months experience in cloud support engineer. I want to switch to Python plus AI. Can you suggest a 6-month plan? Yeah, see, the thing is that if you want to go into Python AI, you have to understand, like, you want to go into core Python and generative AI path, or you want to go into LLM path, like you want to build your own LLM or something like that. You have to pick one path. Jagat, can a person with zero coding knowledge study BCA? Do they teach coding from scratch? Like, see, I will, no matter what degree you do, you have to learn things on your own. In college, they will not teach you in detail. You have to take out time and you need to learn it on your own. अनुज गुप्ता, ये बिल्डर्स वगैरह क्या रहता है फिर रिडक्स में? अनुज, एक्चुअली दिस बिल्डर्स वगैरह क्या करते हैं ना, हम लोग यहाँ पे कर क्या रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ यू सी इन माय ऑथ स्लाइस, then extra you do this builder, we are just adding, like for example, functions, and once a function is fulfilled, what is happening, we are getting that data and we are storing it inside the state in real time. That's what this is happening. Like for example, if we go here, add case login user thunk, we created it here, we created this thunk, right? Login user thunk. Inside this, we are calling an API, we are making an API call and we are getting the data and we are getting the token. This is what is happening. So this is returning this res.user, right? And then once this is done, this is fulfilled, when this API call is done, then we are getting this, we are calling another function state, and we are passing state and action, and inside the state.user, this action.payload. What is this action.payload? Whatever is written by this login user, it goes inside the payload. So basically whatever is returned by that API call in that above function, it goes inside the action, and then action.payload is storing that data inside the state.user. This is what is happening. Okay, so yeah, this is done. Then we need app providers. Viraj, also Abhishek bhai, do you prefer applying for emails for job or internship, or visiting the off-site office campus offline? I prefer sending emails. Yashraj, hello Yashraj, welcome to the stream. Hello Abhishek bhai, attendance marked. Hello Yashraj, welcome to the stream, brother. So there we go. Just a sec, guys. So this is happening. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is my code? Here. This thing here. Const client auth init app provider. We need provider frontend src app provider.tsx. Okay. Export function providers. Here we have children, react node, return provider, and we are passing the store as store. Okay, and then we're passing the children. Done. Close it, close it, close it, close it, close it, close it, close it. And if I go to layout, src app layout, this is my main layout, and we need to wrap body. Yeah, here we need providers, and we need to wrap it providers, and after this wrap it here. Fine. Now supporting React server components. Which function? Please only use this export in client component. Which one? Providers. Which one? Use client. Okay, got it. This has to be use client, I think. Yeah. npm run dev. Okay. Providers layout, and just for now, let's get the register page. Just app auth register page.tsx. Add this. For now, keep it like this. Let's see how it looks. Register. We're not styling on anything. Okay. pg admin. Styling will do later. Let's see if it's working or not. Yashraj, I wanted to ask something. Yashraj, as a 4th semester student confused about which tech stack or domain to choose, I am stuck if I should try and wait for a spark of interest or just blindly pick one thing and start executing it. I will suggest if you are not able to understand what you want to do, I will suggest you pick one thing. Maybe you can start with development, because there you will be able to build something. So you can pick one tech stack. Like if you want, you can go with Mern stack. Okay, so we have test user 6 here. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Name test user 7, test user 7 at the rate gmail.com, and here we have test user 7. Let's see what we get. Inspect network, con register. What happened? Okay, did we do it? Hold on, if I go here, yeah, so this is working. Uncaught and dashboard. What is happening? Okay, RAFCE dashboard page. Dashboard page. Anuj Gupta, thank you, welcome. Viraj, Abhishek bhai, do you watch any movies or series, web series? Movies, last series I watched it was, क्या देखा था मैंने लास्ट? मैं उतना नहीं देखता हूँ मूवी सीरीज. जगत, what are my options after completing BCA? I hope you don't mind me asking so many questions. I don't have anyone to clear my doubts, which is why I'm asking. Yeah, that's fine, Jagat. You can ask your questions. And after BCA, see, during your BCA, your goal should learn skills and build projects and deploy them and build a strong resume. That is your one priority that you must do in your BCA, right? And once you do BCA, keep applying to the companies, and if you get a job, that's good. If not, maybe you can go for MCA, or you can work on something on your own, like applying to companies. Is front end done? Actually, the implementation part of the initialization of front end is done, and also we have configured redux and API calls and Axios interceptors as well. So yeah, now just styling and all these things are left. अनुज गुप्ता, वैसे तुम जीपीटी को क्या प्रॉम्प्ट देते हो कि वो तुम्हें इतना सारा कोड स्टेप बाय स्टेप दे देता है? हमेशा मैं करता हूँ तो मुझे अलग ही आउटपुट देता है, मतलब इतना डिटेल्ड आउटपुट नहीं देता है जितना तुम्हें दिया है. मैं तो बस सिंपल उसे बता देता हूँ कि देख भाई ऐसा ऐसा बात है, ये करके दे, एंड बस इतना ही बोलता हूँ मैं. AIK, finally fronted, let's go. Yeah man, Yashraj, thanks Abhishek bhai, really means a lot. Watching you walk on stream every night is very inspiring. Thank you Yashraj, thanks a lot man. And just a reminder guys, if you're new to the stream, do consider subscribing if you're enjoying the stream. Okay, so what was this issue that we got? Hold on. So this is working, and if I go to see now, this styling we can do, right? Register page, login page. Just copy this, login page, and paste it here. Done, right? And dashboard also protected. Dashboard page, where is it? Dashboard page, dashboard also, it is protected. Fine. What is this? Cannot find module, either hooks, it's confirmed declaration. Rate slash hooks slash, fine. Done, this is done. Now let's do one thing. Let's go to okay slash login. Okay, no, auth slash login. Yep. So here email password. Okay, email, let's go with test user6 at the rate gmail.com. Password test user 6, click on login, welcome test user 6, and log out, unauthorized. Okay, slash auth slash login, and let's go for dashboard like this, loading. Okay, we'll fix it. So basic thing is done. And just a sec, if I go here, test user 6 at the rate gmail.com, test user 6, click on login. What the fuck is this? बहनचोद, क्या भगचोद कर होता रहता है यहाँ पे. टेस्ट यूज़र 6 at the rate gmail.com, टेस्ट यूज़र 6, लॉगिन, डन, रिफ्रेश. या दे ही देखना कि रिफ्रेश के बाद क्या होता है. तो रिफ्रेश के बाद इट्स ऑल्सो एग्जिस्टिंग. ओके, सो दिस इज डन. नाउ वी जस्ट नीड टू मेक स्टाइलिंग एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स. होल्ड ऑन. ओके, so this we can do. Just a sec. Front end. Okay, do one thing, create a .env here. .env and next.js .env environment variables .env to load environment variable. Okay, and okay, next.js will support. Okay, to if you need to load environment outside the next.js runtime and root config or for an or. Okay, hold on. Bundling for the browser. Harshit Kashyap, I am learning backend and I'm not interested in frontend. I use Django. Is this enough to get a job? See, as a Jesse, Django is a very powerful framework and there are jobs out there. But you need to learn basic front end to call yourself a full stack developer. विराज, जीपीटी से प्रॉम्प्ट बना के जीपीटी को देते हो क्या? क्या होगा? दे सकते हैं विराज. अभिषेक भाई, व्हाट इफ बैकएंड को एआई रिप्लेस कर देगा फ्यूचर में? इंटरसेप्टर दिखाओ. बैकएंड को एआई रिप्लेस करेगा तो आपको और बेटर कोड लिखना पड़ेगा. कहाँ गया इंटरसेप्टर? लिब axios dot. Yeah, this is my interceptor. I hope it is visible. Jagat, thank you so much Abhishek Sharma bhai for your guidance and for answering my question. It means a lot to me. Welcome Jagat. AIK, will you do it till 2? No, अभी थोड़ी देर में we'll wrap up because I think this is done for now. But now just one thing is that to use environment variables, backend API URL equals http localhost 4000/API/v1. We are calling this, and here what if I replace this with process.env dot. What will happen if I do this? Close this, and close this also. Now if I come here and if I rerun it, let's see what we get. Okay, so now if I go localhost 3000, now if I click on register, but I need to go to login. I want to go to login here. go to login, test user3 at the rate gmail.com. See, the styling can be done very easily. We will do it. Test user3 login. Okay, what happened? Something we messed up. Okay, go here, redux. You authenticated for what? Okay, fine. Let's do one thing here. uh, Again, go to auth slash login, close this, test user 5 at the rate gmail.com, test user 5, and if I click on login, what we get? Login. Okay, login, this we got. Hold on. Okay, fine. So here, instead of this, next underscore public underscore, I think we need to use this. Hold on, कहाँ गया? Next underscore public underscore ID in the Node.js environment, bundling environment variable for the browser, variable only non क्या बोल रहे हैं? Let's see. If I close this, npm run dev, come here. Sometimes I feel Next.js is overly, like, without any reason it's complicated. Test user 2 5 at the rate gmail.com, test user 5 login, next. Okay, there we go. Okay, hold on. GPT, how to use .env in Next.js 16. Okay, it's public .env, it's public. Okay. So next so we have to make it like this: .env next underscore public underscore. We did this. Next underscore public underscore URL and process.env dot next public API. Okay, and then here next public backend API URL. Okay, npm run dev. What's this? Close 3000. Refresh. State is now empty. Very good. Register, not register. We go to login, test user 6 at the rate gmail.com, test user 6. If I do login, yeah, now it is working. Okay, so redux devtools. Now if I come here, user email role created at, very good, cool. If I refresh also, it is also fine. Okay, absolutely good. Now if I come here, Nived, hello Nived, welcome to the stream. Are you doing it full time, bro? Nived, yeah, like I'm building this SaaS as a full time, and I had a job. I left my job, so yeah. Rahul, hello Rahul, welcome to my stream, bro. I think you have to put next public in env also. Yeah, that's what we did. Okay, so there we go. Fine. Now let's commit here. What is this issue? If I come here, close it. If I commit it here, I think I got the issue. Front end, inside front end, remove this. Dot get ignore, delete this. Get ignore. Front end. Models app. Okay, okay, okay. Anything else here? Now if I go here, 10k, 10,000 pending changes. What the hell? Okay, okay, okay. Hold on. Git ignore generator. Git ignore generator. And what am I doing? Next JS create. Huh? Where is it? End of it. Okay. JS next JS. Okay. Not this. Next JS. Okay. Where is it? Viraj, Abhishek bhai, are you single family, child in family? No. Love. Just question. I see you using GPT. May I ask why don't you use agentic AI, cursor, windsurf, etc.? Anif, because the thing is that I want to hold on. Search for an ideal programming languages. Okay. I want full control of my code. That's why I don't use those things. Okay. Copy it. Copy this. Add this. Now let's see what we get. How did we? Okay, I think I know the issue. Inside this also we have this git. Remove this git. We don't need this git inside front end. Delete it. Fine. This is deleted. Now if I come here, hold on. Now if I come here, there we go. Git ignore this. Fine. Dot next. Untracked. Hold on. If I remove these things, then what will happen? Okay. This is working. Then dot next. It should also be not tracked. I think just a second. Should dot next also be not tracked? Cover it. Yeah, dot next also is not meant to be tracked. Front end slash dot next. Cool. App release redux dot env is untracked. Hold on. Why is it tracking the dot env here? Untracked. It should not be tracked. Front end dot env untracked. Why don't track it? What the hell is this doing? Okay. Code to hire. Hello, code to hire. Welcome to the stream. मच्छर की आवाज आ रही है माइक से. Okay. There are too many mosquitoes there. Okay. No. Dipanshu. Hello Dipanshu. Welcome to the stream. भैया I am starting web development. कुछ tips दे दो. Be patient. Don't chase quick results. Take your time. Build good projects. Understand the basics. Jagat. I'm going to study now because I have an exam on Monday. I'll come back tomorrow night. Tomorrow night. Good night, Abhishek. Bye. Thanks, Jagannath, and all the best for your for exam. Dipanshu. Hello, Dipanshu. Welcome to the stream. But yeah, I'm starting web development. Okay. Autoplot. Hello, Autoplot. Welcome to the stream. Welcome, Dipanshu. Okay. From where are we getting this 10k changes? Like seriously? How? इन हद होता है यार, इसको ओवर स्मार्ट बोलते हैं। मैंने इसको बोला कि इसमें गिट लगाओ, नहीं लगाया, अपने आप लगा दिया। चूतिया साला, कहाँ है भाई इसका गिट इग्नोर। फ्रंट एंड के अंदर का डॉट env हटा, इसको हटा एक बार। फ्रंट एंड ओके, लेट्स डू वन थिंग, अभी के लिए डिलीट दिस डॉट env को डिलीट कर, इसको डिलीट कर, इसको डिलीट मारा हम। फ्रंट एंड में जा, फ्रंट एंड स्लैश डॉट नेक्स्ट बना, इसको अनट्रैक कर। अनट्रैक किया, एक सेकेंड, तो इसके अंदर का गिट है ना, एंड फ्रंट एंड के अंदर का गिट को उड़ाया हम, है ना, हाँ उड़ाया, ठीक है। अब यहाँ पे जब हम गया, सो व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग हियर, ये सब कहाँ से लेके आया है यार। कम हियर, गो हियर, एड दिस front end initialized redux configured, commit this, commit किया, पुश कर इसको, your repository has no, रिलैक्स अभिषेक, रिलैक्स, शांति, क्लोज कर इसको। तो यहाँ पे आ, गिट स्टेटस लगा, इसमें गिट स्टेटस क्या करना है, इसमें गया गिट पुश टू origin from main, yeah. Now if I go here and if I go to my GitHub, if I come here, repositories and appointment booking SaaS, what we got in front end, got this, all of these things, redux, slices, code to wire is web dev relevant now? Yes it is. Anuj Gupta, package log.json नहीं डाला इग्नोर में, अच्छा वो भी डालना है यहाँ। जगत, don't use too much AI, just use clear doubts, okay. Viraj Patel, you need to reset that, I have same issue yesterday, okay fine. Bell Mamashu, hello Bell Mamashu, welcome to my stream. Theme please, the name of the theme is Catpuccino. Just a sec, now these things are done. Okay, what are these things that I'm seeing here? Untracked, how are these untracked? Okay, no issues. ये 10K कहाँ से दिखा रहा है यार, like how? What is the remote here? Remove remote. ओके, लेट्स डू वन थिंग, एक काम करते हैं, इसको डॉट env बैठाते हैं यहाँ पे फ्रंट एंड में जाके, फिर से डॉट env नेक्स्ट पब्लिक, next dot public, we have this here, next dot public dot backend API URL equals http localhost 4000/API v1। ये हुआ। अब तुम इसमें जा, ये कहाँ से ट्रैक, अपॉइंटमेंट बुकिंग SaaS, ये फ्रंट एंड का जो पकड़ा है ना, इसको हटाना है मेरे को। ये काम करते, क्लोज कर, इस पे आ, फिर से ओपन विथ कोड कर इसको यहाँ पे, इसको किया फ्रंट फिर से ठीक से किया, इसको क्लोज कर, ठीक है। अब तू इस पे आ, इस पे आया, हाँ अब लाइन पे आया साला। ओके डॉट ई एन वी इंटरैक्ट, ओके वापस एक बार चेक करते हैं, एन पी एम रन डेव, ओके फ्रंट एंड के अंदर जाना है, सी डी फ्रंट एंड एन पी एम रन डेव, क्लोज दिस, इसमें यहाँ पे हटा, इसको यहाँ से हटा, इसको यहाँ से इसको हटा, http localhost 3000/auth/login test user5@gmail.com test user5 login, हाँ क्या हो गया इसको, स्कीम शांति, next underscore public underscore backend API URL app lib axio.ts, next underscore public underscore backend underscore API URL, and inside this .env what we have, next copy this, ये हुआ, I come here, auth/login to network, what is the issue, अब क्या इशू है भाई, आजा तू भी आजा भाई, क्या इशू है बता, इधर क्या इशू है, अटरी हाइड्रेटेड, हटाना भाई, हाइड्रेशन इशू अभी नहीं चाहिए मेरे को। Rohit Singh, hello Rohit, welcome to my stream. This project is a B2B SaaS, appointment booking SaaS that I'm trying to build. Local hot, okay, okay. Oh, local hot के जगह local host, okay. Okay, got it. हाँ समझिए आप क्या बोलना चाह रहे हो, local host, okay, local host. Thanks guys, thanks. टाइपो इशू था। लोकल हॉट, ओके। इससे याद आ गया अभिषेक भाई, आप सिंगल हो। समझ गया, ओके ओके, दिस इज डन। नाउ इफ आई कम हियर अगेन, इफ आई गो हियर, close all of this and my server is running, close it and run it again, npm run dev, backend is running, backend is not running, very good, cd backend npm run dev, yeah backend is running, worker is also not running, cd backend npm run worker dev, so worker is running and let's start the front end again, npm run dev, fine, close this, okay, test user5@gmail.com, test user5 login, yeah this is working, and if I check my state here, here I have this, yeah this is fine, and if I refresh also it is correct, okay done, these things are working, and let's make one small change to see if the git is working absolutely fine or not. And if I go to my dashboard page, here we have user.name, what's up, let's add this line of what's up, okay, close it, and localhost 3000, it will be login here, and test user5@gmail.com, here test user5, and if I log in, yeah what's up, it is working, this is also fine, okay, and now let's make this close it, and stop this as well. And here if I go and if I add this change, small change, C1, just anything, just make this C1, commit and push. And now if I push it, in my back, this is there. Now if I check my, where is it, here if I go repositories, and just a reminder guys, if you're enjoying the stream, do consider subscribing. And appointment booking SaaS, C1, okay. Yeah, okay, this is also fine. All right. Hello bro, typo issue, classic. Yeah man, Rohit saying like appointment for meeting rooms, like appointment for something, like the flow is that, for example, if it's an online business like a fitness coach or someone who gives one-on-one call guidance to people, right, then that person can come to my SaaS. That person can log in, create an organization, and then list the service that he or she is providing. Then they can link their Google Meet, right? That is the first thing. And second thing, if it's an offline service like a dental clinic, then they can come, register their organization, and then they can create the offline service. Now from the user perspective, the business will get a URL. They can share the URL with people, and if a customer clicks on that URL, the customer will see that okay, this is the service that I want. If the customer wants that service, customer can make the payment, book appointment with the person. It can, if it's an online appointment, then the customer will receive the scheduled Google Meet link in their email. And if it's an offline appointment like a dental clinic visit, then the appointment, the meeting, all the appointment data will be given into the customer's email, and the customer has to visit physically to the person. That's the basic flow. And here basically business will, customer will pay through my application, and my app will also manage the payments, give the payments to the users, the businesses who have registered and the services they are providing. So that's the basic flow. Gamers, hello gamers, welcome to my stream. Hello bro, I'm doing MBA business analytics from mid-level college. What should I look to upskill to get an internship as fresher? You're doing an MBA. See, I have no idea about MBA, gamers, and welcome to my stream. But unfortunately, I have no idea about MBA and management thing. Dipanshu, bye bye. I'm going. Good night. Bye Dipanshu, and thanks for joining. Nived, man, since you have quit your job now, do you will position yourself if SaaS doesn't go as you planned and land a job also? How many years of experience do you have? Yeah, Nived, the thing is that yeah, I left my job, and the thing is now I am currently working with freelancing projects and everything, and I also provide one-on-one call to people who need my dedicated guidance. Basically, I get on a call with them. I understand their current skills, their strengths, their weaknesses, what their goal is. For example, if their goal is to get a job, or if their goal is to build their own SaaS, then they can get on a call with me, and then I understand everything, and then I craft a dedicated action plan for them that they can follow in the next few weeks or months, and then they can achieve their goal. And if this SaaS does not work, then I'll build something else. Praman, hello Praman, welcome to my stream. I'm practicing React.js. Any tips to master it faster? Build projects. Project-based learning is the fastest path. Rohit saying, great work. Also, how are you thinking to differentiate from TopMate? They are also in the same space. Yeah, I have some competitors like Currently and all those other companies. And the thing is that, see, from my side, what issue that I face is that I had to connect my Stripe, but I live in India. I am not able to connect my Stripe. That's the first thing. And the second thing is that I'll also provide a free tier where everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. But the only thing is that per transaction, my platform will charge a commission, and there will be, if the business does not want to give me any commission, my platform any commission, then they can go for the subscription based plan. Harsh, hello Harish, welcome to my stream. What about DevOps and cloud role? See, yeah, DevOps and cloud role are good. Like There are demands there. So this is done. Okay. Okay. Alright everyone, I think I'll wrap up now. And if you enjoyed my stream, do consider subscribing to this stream. Hello sir, hello voice, welcome to my stream. Alright everyone, I'll wrap up now and thanks for joining the stream. And if you enjoyed the stream, do consider subscribing to this channel and drop a like. And I'll see you in the next stream. And the next stream we'll be building the UI part of the login and register page. So yeah, we have started the front end and we'll keep building the front end in the next few streams. So stay tuned and